Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram for live content. So all you have to do is to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. And in order to do this, you have to exit this application first and go to your Google Play Store and then look for Instagram application there. Tap this one and make sure that your application is updated. Okay, so once done, go back to your Instagram, launch the application, and tap this paper plane here, which is the direct message, and also click this pencil icon at the top right corner. Now, once you click this one, you should see the option that says create broadcast channel below here. But unfortunately, maybe it's because of my region or my application, or maybe it's not available in my country yet. I can't see that broadcast channel here or create broadcast channel here. Now, if you have that feature, all you have to do is just simply type channel name, audience, which is your followers, your public, options, show channel and profile or not, and then click OK. And that's it. Now, if you think that there's something wrong with your application, all you have to do is to go to help, report a problem, and then report a problem without shaking. Click include and continue. And then here you have to be specific with your concern. Please help me to have access or to get create channel broadcasts on Instagram. I really need it and I do really hope that you would help me. Now you can upload your proof here or screenshot. All you have to do is tap any of these options here. And then once done, click send and wait for the customer service team to respond to your concern. And that's it. I do really hope that this video helped you. See you again in our next videos.